Good morning to everyone. In this lecture, EC 8551 Communication Networks, third year ECE, fifth semester, Unit 1 Fundamentals and Link Layers. In this section, we are discuss about the topic Internet and Protocol Layers. First of all, overview of Internet. The Internet has revolutionized many aspects of daily lives. It has affected the way we do business as well as the we spend our time. The internet is a communication system that brought a word of information to our fingertips and organized for it our use. Internet is a collection of network or network to network. Various networks such as local area network and wide area network connected through suitable hardware and software to work in a manner. The wide area network connected through the suitable hardware and network. It allows various applications such as email, file transfer, remote login, World Wide Web, multimedia, etc. The basic difference between the wide area network and internet in the wide area network is owned by a single organization, while internet is not so, but with the time to line between the wide area network and the internet is a stringing, and these stream of are sometimes used interchangeable. Now this is a network to network connections schematic representation. Now the next second slide, protocols layering. Protocol is a set of rules that govern data communication. For communications, the entire must agree upon a protocol. A protocol depends what is communicated, how it is communicated, and when it is communicated. The key elements of protocol are three categories. Number one is a syntax, semantics, and timing. Syntax is a structure or format of data. It means the order in which they are presented. Semantic is a word. Semantic refer to a meaning of each section of bit. How is a particular pattern to be interpreted and what action to be taken based on that interpretation. And third one is timing. The term timing refer to two characteristics. One is when data should be sent. Number two is how fast they can be sent. Now this is a OSI mode, that is a open system interconnection mode. In network architecture depends the standard and technique for designing and building communication system for computer and other devices. Network architecture are defined by two basic reference mode, that is open system interconnection mode and transmission control protocol or internet protocol mode. To reduce the design complexity, most of the network are organized as a series of layers or levels, each one built upon the basic layers. The basic idea of layered architecture to be divided and designed into small pieces, each layer added to the service provided by the lower layer in such a manner that the highest layer is provided a full set of services to manage communications and run the applications. The benefit of the layers model are modulary and clear interfaces, therefore open architecture and compatibility between the different providers components. Now the basic elements of layered model are service, protocol, and interfaces. A service is a set of action that layer upward to another layer. The protocol is a set of rules that a layer used to exchange the information with a prior entire entity. These rules, both the content and the order of message used between the layer service interface are defined. The message from one layer to another are sent through the interfaces. Now The open system interconnection reference mode. The open system interconnection reference model describe how information from a software applications in a one computer move through a network medium to a software applications in another computer. So the OSI reference model is composed of 7 layers. Each layer is specified in a particular network function. We see the OSI layer model. The model composed of 7 layers, 7 1 to 7 layers, layer to layer communication, 1 to 7 layers. The model was developed by International Organization for Standardization, that is ISO, in 1984, and it now considered the primary architecture model for inter-computer communications. A task or group of tasks is then assigned to each of the 7 OSI layers. Now, the layers in the OSI model, there are 7 layers. Number 1 is a physical layer, number 2 data link layer, number 3 network layer, number 4 transport layer, number 5 session layer, number 6 presentation layer, number 7 application layer. Now we see the first layer, physical layer. Physical layer, it is a controls the transmission of the actual data onto the network cable. It defines the electrical signals, line states and encoding of the data and the connector types used. For example, 10 base T is a physical layer is responsible for transmitting individual bit from one node to another. We see the block diagram. It it deals with the mechanical and electrical specifications of the interface and transmission medium. So, what are the functions of physical layers? The functions of physical layer is interface and media. There is a characteristics of interface and medium. The second one is representation of bit. That is a group of bit or symbols of bit or wide of bits. Number 3 is data rate. Number 4 is synchronization of bit. Thank you for watching this video.